What is topology? Topology. Say if this is your house. This is your house. Now who is on the right side of your house? Who's your neighbor? You are Sharmaji, he is Vermaji. On left, your Guptaji is living, and your back neighbor is Aleem Sahab, and you have a road here. So topology is just this thing. This is arrangement of how this point, line, polygon, that is the feature of the vector files or vectors or the real world, they share geometry. How they share geometry? Because every world, everything can be represented by either point or line or polygon. So the topology is all about the relationship between this geometry, these figures in the layers. I'll tell you the more wide definition of this. But before this, let me tell you that these geometric figures, for example, points, for example, lines, for example, polygons, these points, which point is related to which point, or which point is related to say 3 points. So the point has certain value, that is the x and y coordinate with reference to some coordinate system. Similarly, we have a line. So what is the beginning node? What is the end node? Which is the polygon to the left? Which is the polygon to the right? So these polygons, they have different lines. Which lines are combining? So after A, which is coming the B, or if A polygon is connected to which all polygons? This is the topology. Let me tell you the types of topology. The arc node topology, these are the line features that can share endpoints. These are the endpoints. So this is called arc node topology. Then we have polygon topology. The area features, polygon features can also share boundaries. Then this is route or route topology. The line features can share segments with other line feature, that is a small segment. Then area features can overlap with other area features. This is called the region topology. One is over the other, overlapping. And then node topology. Line feature can share endpoint vertices with point features. That is the line and point features. I'm talking about two different features, and they are sharing some vertices. Point events. So point features can share vertices with the line features. So point with line. Line feature sharing with vertices and point feature sharing with line. So these are node topology and point features. So these are the different types of topology. So this is basically the arrangement of how these features share geometry. So whenever we talk about GIS and this kind of technology, spatial technology, spatial means has come from space, space means location, location means latitude, longitude, or the meters definition. So when we talk about ology, so that is we are studying something, topology. So here what we are doing in topology, we are talking about the study of geometrical properties and the spatial relationship between which are the parts of the shape or the related shape. For example, if I make this, you will tell it is a rectangle. If I make this, same rectangle will be changed to rhombus. The geometric properties have been changed. So if the relationship between the lines are changed, say I make the diagonal intersect at 90 degree, it will become a rhombus. So this topology, it considers everything from individual feature to the relationship between these feature, point, line, polygon. And individual feature can be point, line, polygon, and this polygon can be further divided into nodes, vertices, segment, edges, faces. So the topology actual definition is the science and mathematics of relationship used to validate the geometry of vector entities and for operations such as network tracing and tests of polygon adjacency. So if I just make a polygon, and if I want to check, so which is side of the A, it will be B, but we found it to be C. So this is how we check the topology. Now you see, we start with a point. This is just a 2D points. Now we combine these points with some edges, and when we combine these points or edges, we found the faces. So we got a proper figure. Now this figure has certain back relationship with the basic features, and these features they are combined to form a proper geometric figure. So this is called the topology, and topology is not only one figure, it is the combination of figures.